Hey guys, just MaLeX Mods here, and I'm going to show you how to fix RSOD, that red screen of death. For quite a few of you who've got kmeaw, which is a very old firmware now, have come across a 4.46 spoofer, which really doesn't do anything but give you RSOD. What I found out about it, it uses old sets as well, so you'll just get banned. But what I'm going to do now is just give myself RSOD and show you how to fix it. So obviously I'm on my 3.55 with congeners on it and black box and that, and install package files. So I'll just install that. Install complete. So there it is, the spoofer. Now I should have RSOD in a minute. Do you want to continue? Yes. Yes. System will reboot. Just coming back on now. Oh no, I appear to have red screen of death. What am I going to do? I noticed was a serious error has occurred. Contact technical support or something. Right, so we're just going to put the PlayStation 3 into recovery mode. So what we do for that, turn off the system. Yeah. So the system's now turned off. I'm just going to hold my finger on the power button until it turns itself off and on. There you go, it's just turned itself back off. Just going to hold it on the power button again until you hear 2 beeps. And then as soon as you hear the beeps, you let go. And then that puts it into recovery mode. So we're on recovery mode. So we'll just go down to system update. I've just put my USB stick in with my PS3 update port. I've just gone straight over this with kmeaw, no special OFW first or package fixes or crap like that. Just go over it with normal kmeaw. Yeah, start and select buttons at the same time. Just finding it. Just a bit takes a while. Should really put some dubstep on or something while this bit's doing. See, I could pause this now and be clever and show you it when it's at 99%, but what's the point in that? Because then you're going to say to yourself, well, has he really done it or hasn't he? And if you look, I am on just recording off my PVR. What, just I think it's Hypercam or Bandicam 2 or something like that. Because if I record directly off my PVR to my computer, it all looks, well, it's in worse quality than what it is at the moment. Basically, this is the way to get the best quality without a HD PVR. I'll be uploading some more videos soon of my private patch v1 when I've fully finished that, and probably more real-time modding of Modern Warfare 3 when rebug release their toolbox update. There you go, it's found the pup. It's just checking for update data. Why does it have to be so slow when it's doing this? Oh yeah, of course I agree to that. Yeah. Don't let turn off. Yeah, okay, whatever. I'm not planning on turning it off. This shouldn't take too long to install actually. Probably a minute or some crap like that. At this point I bet you're all just totally yawning. Oh, it's boring. I hope it fails on him. But if I was you, when you've watched this and confident that you're working again on kmeaw, I'd probably look at updating to rebug Rex or is it rebug Lite or something like that. I mean, I'm lucky I've got a rebug as well. I've got two jailbroken PlayStations. I've got a rebug Rex 4.3.2, which I do real time modding on, and then just a kmeaw for data transferring patches. It saves me from toggling between sex and dex all the time. And for dirty minded people, sex is spelled CEX, not the other way. Should start going quicker soon. Hopefully. And for people that do watch my YouTube and channel and stuff like that, you'll probably notice I've been not as active recently. That's due to working commitment. I mean, when you get to my age, you have to work and to earn a living, basically. Especially if you smoke and drink. But hey, it's gone fast! Right, PlayStation's just rebooting. Everything's flashing at me. It's a freaking miracle, dude! Look at that, I ain't even lost a thing, I don't think. Nope, look, everything's still on there, just as I left it. Yeah, this is what games I'm modding at the moment on off my OFW through data transfer. World at War, Modern Warfare 2, Grand Theft Auto, TJ, Public Menu. Look, install package files, still works. There's the spoofer. I am not going to click on that again once it's installed. I'll just kind of. This is what you all should be doing at this point. Yeah, deleting it. But yeah, back on it, alright. I mean, look, USB is picking up on all there. I'll just show you system settings. There you go. 3.55 again. So it's sorted. You all should be motherfucking sorted now. Remember to drop a like, sub, comment. If you want me on Skype, go fuck yourself. Yeah, I'm also on Twitter now, on MaLeX_mods. So if you want to follow me on there, you can. I currently have 0 followers, so if you want to be the first and pop my Twitter cherry, be my guest. Right, peace out, people. Oh yeah, hypercam I'm using, by the way.